Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Test It Ralph, and today I'm going to be painting the brake calipers on my 2018 Honda Accord Sport, which they currently are stock color, which is silver. I'm going to go ahead and paint them in red. I'm going to take you guys along with me. Alright guys, so I went ahead and already took the rim off, and this is what we're left with. Look at that. All silver. So from here, what you got to do is you got to check and see. You have two bolts on the back side right here that hold the caliper in. You remove this one right there, and then there's another one in the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see, but right here there's another bolt. You remove those two, and then you'll be safe to take your brake pads out, and then we can continue. See, once that bracket is off, the way to take it out, you're going to go ahead and push up on it. Once you push up on it, it's going to disengage from this little notch right here. Once it disengages from there, you're clear to go, and that part comes out. The brake caliper itself and piston just comes off like this. But I'm not taking it off right now because I'm going to blast it with some brake cleaner and some grease remover. Hey everyone, this is what it looks like after it's painted. Well, it was cleaned and then painted. So, hope you guys like it. I'm going to let it dry for an hour and then come back to it and reassemble everything the same way I took it off. So, hope you guys like it. Alright everyone, so I went ahead, finished the reassembly part, put the rim back on, and this is the finished product. Yep. So the can of the red caliper paint was like $6.70. Level of difficulty, really not that hard. If you have a little bit of mechanical experience or whatever, it's gonna take you at least an hour because you have to let the paint dry. If not, you're gonna ruin the surface. So I hope you guys enjoyed the finished product and enjoyed watching. Thank you for tuning in.